Why you should learn digital marketing, even if you're a beginner. I'm Chris, and I help beginners land digital marketing jobs earning 60K a year without any prior experience or education needed. And today, I want to tell you why digital marketing is the best opportunity that you could possibly do in 2025 and beyond. And there's my cat right there to tell you why as well. So, first, you're going to get hired by a company. Digital marketing is a very flexible skill set. It's very in demand. Everybody is doing marketing, whether you know it or not. And if you get hired by a company, digital marketing jobs are everywhere. Companies need people who know how to get traffic, leads, and customers. That's never not going to be the case. And you don't need a degree to start. I got a marketing degree in college, and let me tell you that most employers, most people don't really care as long as you have projects, a little bit of experience, some initiative, some interest in marketing. That's going to be more than enough, especially if you're a beginner. So that's the first reason. Second, you can start freelancing and get paid. So other than getting hired by a company, you could also just start freelancing on your own, getting clients through either Fiverr, Upwork, local businesses. Basically, it's an endless amount of opportunity out there. So offering marketing help to small businesses, getting clients on these freelancing sites, Upwork, Fiverr, or Outreach. And a lot of the main services are running ads, building websites, managing social medias, email marketing, text, SMS automations. All that is getting more and more in demand. So that's the second one. Third is building your own business or agency. So if you learn digital marketing, you can get hired by a company, you can freelance, and you could also build your own business or agency. So you use the skills to sell your own services or products. So if you want to get into e-com, if you're opening up a local service business, for example, like a cleaning business, plumber, you can just grow it yourself. You know the skills how to do it online. And yeah, you're able to either grow a team or run it solo. So very flexible. And you can control your time and income directly by digital marketing. Four is monetize your attention. You learn how to run paid ads, grow an audience, build email lists. All these different services are going to be affecting the bottom line and your income. So if you learn digital marketing, you're going to be able to monetize all the attention for your business, for the company you work for, whatever. And these are all the same skills used by influencers, creators, and business owners today. Five, it's one of the most future-proof skills. So AI can help marketers, but not replace them yet, right? So you see all these different AI tools, ChatGPT, all these different AI automations. Google, Facebook, they're integrating more AI into their ads. But as of now, if you're a marketer in today's age and you learn how to use AI, you won't get replaced by them. You'll use them and become more efficient. And companies still need humans to understand audiences and run strategy. So AI isn't going to replace marketers anytime soon. So you can use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Meta Ads. All those are, increasingly becoming more important in digital marketing. And here are some sources. LinkedIn 2024 digital marketing specialist is one of the top 10 most in-demand jobs. The Bureau of Labor Statistics, marketing jobs expected to grow faster than average through 2032. And the Upwork 2025 report, digital marketing is one of the most requested freelance skills. So all these sources here point a really good direction in digital marketing. Six, anyone can start from scratch. So you don't need a degree, you don't need any connections. You just need build simple projects, get some experience, and then putting that into a portfolio like Card or Notion. And then after that, you can land your first client or job in 90 days or less. And it's very flexible because if you can land a digital marketing job with a company, you can also freelance. And if you've done that, you could also run your own business or an agency. So these skill sets that you learn in digital marketing are very flexible, very in demand. And just to summarize, learning digital marketing, you'll open up 3 different paths for yourself. 1, you can get a job at a company. 2, freelancing. And 3, your own business. So it's a skill that works in any economy, any industry, and any country. Doesn't matter. And yeah, that's it for the video, guys. If you guys want a more in-depth video guide on how to land a 60K a year digital marketing job in 90 days, go ahead and check out my website, chrishwin.com, in the link down below, and I'll send that to you. And that's all for today. I hope you guys got value out of that. See you in the next one.